Good morning, Octopus. Our maths learning today, we are looking at correspondence. So that's using our knowledge of multiplication and division into problems to do with ratio. Okay, so our anchor task today, a quick recall of multiplication and division facts. Have a go at these questions in front of you and time yourself, see how long it takes you. So the style of question we will have today is something like this. So children can choose one piece of fruit and one flavoured donut as a snack. Mo, Ron, Eva and Whitney all choose different combinations. So this is Mo, Ron, Eva and Whitney. Okay, now Mo has decided he wants a banana and a striped donut. Ron wants a banana and a blue donut. Eva wants a red apple and a striped donut, and Whitney a red apple and a blue donut. So they've all got a different combination, a different choice. Okay, so an ice cream parlour sells 3 flavours of ice cream and 2 choices of toppings. How many different flavours and topping combinations could be ordered? So we could have a chocolate ice cream with a flake. That's one option. We could have a chocolate ice cream with sauce, raspberry sauce. We could have strawberry ice cream with a flake. We could have strawberry ice cream with sauce. We could have vanilla ice cream with a flake, or vanilla ice cream with sauce. So sitting here and looking at it now, it's easy to see that there are 6 different options. However, if you think about there being hundreds of different flavour types and hundreds of different toppings, we wouldn't be able to sit here and name them all. So we need to find a way to work this out. Okay, now you will see that there are 6 combinations. So there's 3 different flavours and there's 2 toppings. What do you think we do to those 2 numbers to find out how many possible combinations? What could we do to 3 and 2 to make 6? We could times 3, the 3 flavours, times 2 toppings equals 6. So have a go yourself now. There are 4 flavours and 2 toppings. So how many combinations are there possible now? So if you want to write out all the options like I did, you can. But what is the other way of working it out? Have a go. Okay, so moving deeper into our questions today, you may have 3 different options to work with. So for this example, we have 2 kinds of buns, brioche or sesame. We have 3 fillings, beef, chicken or vegetarian, and 2 extras, so cheese or onions. So how many possible combinations can there be? So we have 2 times 3 times 2. So remembering that we break this down first. So we'll do this bit first. So 2 times 3 is 6. And then we can times the 6 by the 2 that we have left. So 6 times 2 is 12. So have a go yourself now. The restaurant adds lettuce as another extra. How many combinations are possible now? So how would we find out how many combinations there are rather than writing them all? Okay, and the last style of question I want you to have a look at before you go on to your questions independently. Here we have some information missing. So thinking about our missing number problems, if we have a missing number, how do we find it? What do we need to do? So we know that it's something times 3 because we've got 3 projects, and times 4, because we have 4 indoor activities, equals 60, because overall there are 60 combinations. So how could we find out this answer? We could do the inverse. So we know the inverse of multiplication is division. So we could do 60 divided by 3 to start off with. So we know 6 divided by 3 is 2, and we can pop our 0 back on the end. And then we need to continue to do 20 divided by 4 to find out our missing number. So to start off with, we've used 60 divided by 3, because I find that easier to do than 60 divided by 4. And then we've used the answer and divided it by 4. So we've used all the numbers in our number sentence to find out what the missing number is, what the question mark is. So 20 divided by 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So there must be 5 outdoor activities. For your silver test today, I want you to try questions 1 and 2. For gold, you are moving on to 3 onwards. And for platinum, you are looking at having 3 different sections to work out correspondence problems and do some explaining about how somebody's gone wrong when using correspondence to work out possible combinations.